Listen up, this is your wake-up call. If you're watching this, chances are you've told yourself, I just don't have time to eat healthy. Maybe you're running from meeting to meeting, juggling deadlines, or just trying to keep your head above water. But let's be real, those excuses are holding you back, not just from your goals, but from feeling your absolute best every single day. Yes you, thinking you're too busy to eat properly. Enough with the excuses. We all have the same 24 hours, and what you choose to do with them matters. Skipping meals or grabbing whatever's closest isn't a badge of honor. It's a shortcut to burnout, brain fog, and feeling sluggish. You deserve better than that. Skipping meals and grabbing junk is killing your energy and your progress. That bag of chips or fast food burger might seem like a quick fix, but it's robbing you of the energy, focus, and drive you need to crush your day. Every time you reach for junk, you're making it harder for your body and mind to perform at their best. You wouldn't put cheap gas in a sports car, so why fuel your body with anything less than the best? Your body is a machine. It needs real fuel, not desperation takeout. Imagine what you could accomplish if you actually felt energized, clear-headed, and strong every day. Real food, colorful veggies, lean proteins, healthy fats. These are the building blocks of a body and mind that can take on anything. It's not about perfection, it's about making better choices, one meal at a time. Today, that changes. I'll show you 10 lightning-fast, delicious meals to keep you lean and energized. No more excuses about time or skill. These recipes are designed for real life, for real people, with real schedules. You don't need to be a chef or spend hours in the kitchen. All you need is a willingness to try, and a few minutes to invest in yourself. These SlimSync recipes take just 10 minutes. Less time than you waste scrolling on your phone or waiting for takeout to arrive. Think about it. In the time it takes to check your notifications or watch a couple of funny videos, you could have a fresh, nourishing meal ready to go. It's about making your health a priority, even on your busiest days. This is about respecting yourself and fueling your ambition with food that actually tastes incredible. You're not just eating to survive, you're eating to thrive, to power your dreams, and to show up as your best self. So let's ditch the excuses, grab those ingredients, and get cooking. Your future self will thank you. Let's kick things off with a recipe that's as vibrant as it is simple: zesty cauliflower and shrimp taco cups. These are the perfect answer for anyone craving something light, fresh, and absolutely packed with protein, but without the heaviness of traditional tacos. Whether you're looking for a quick lunch, a healthy snack, or a show-stopping appetizer for your next get-together, these taco cups deliver big flavor in every bite. Start by prepping your shrimp. Lay them out on a plate and pat them dry with a paper towel. This helps them get that perfect golden sear. Drizzle with a little olive oil, then season generously with salt, freshly cracked black pepper, smoked paprika for a subtle smokiness, and a pinch of cumin for warmth. Give them a gentle toss so every piece is coated in those bold spices. Heat a skillet over medium-high until it's nice and hot, then add your shrimp in a single layer. Let them sizzle for just a minute or two on each side, until they turn pink and slightly caramelized. The aroma is incredible, smoky, savory, and mouth-watering. While your shrimp are cooking, it's time to make the base of our taco cups: cauliflower rice. Break your cauliflower into florets and add them to a food processor. Pulse several times until the pieces resemble grains of rice. This step is quick and easy, and it transforms humble cauliflower into a light, fluffy, and nutritious alternative to regular rice. If you don't have a food processor, you can also grate the cauliflower by hand using a box grater. Transfer the rice cauliflower to a bowl and add a handful of finely chopped red onion for a bit of crunch and color. Toss in plenty of fresh cilantro for that unmistakable herby brightness, and squeeze in the juice of a lime to wake up all the flavors. Sprinkle with a little salt, then toss everything together until the cauliflower is evenly coated. This mixture is tangy, crunchy, and bursting with zesty flavor, perfect as a base for our taco cups. Now, instead of using tortillas, we're going to use crisp lettuce leaves as our taco shells. Butter lettuce or romaine, hearts work beautifully. They're sturdy enough to hold the filling, but tender and refreshing with every bite. Gently separate the leaves, rinse them under cold water, and pat them dry. Arrange them on a plate, ready to be filled. This swap keeps things light and low-carb, letting the flavors of the filling really shine. To assemble, spoon a generous amount of the zesty cauliflower rice into each lettuce cup, creating a fluffy bed for the shrimp. Top with a few of the perfectly cooked shrimp, nestling them right into the cauliflower. For a finishing touch, add a squeeze of fresh lime juice over the top, or, if you like a little heat, drizzle with sriracha mayo. The creamy, spicy sauce pairs perfectly with the cool, crunchy lettuce and the warm, smoky shrimp, and there you have it. Zesty cauliflower and shrimp taco cups that look as good as they taste. In just 10 minutes we or jury maim, viewer bacon cover, onkonmar down. Maim mangser, tradistancers, or jury, under dancers. Maim juror dancins restaurant quality, visually stunning, and bursting with fresh, bold flavors. Serve them up as a light meal, a party appetizer, or a healthy snack, and watch them disappear. If you're tired of the same old salads that leave you feeling uninspired and unsatisfied, you're not alone. We've all been there, staring at a bowl of limp greens, wishing for something more exciting, more colorful, and way more delicious. Today let's shake things up and make rainbow quinoa sushi bowls. A fresh, vibrant twist on the classic sushi experience, but in a bowl, and with a nutritious plant-powered base. Start with pre-cooked quinoa, which is not only packed with protein and fiber, but also has a wonderful nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with sushi-inspired toppings. To give it that signature sushi rice tang, season your quinoa with a splash of rice vinegar, a pinch of sugar, and a little salt. This simple step transforms the quinoa into a flavorful base that's anything but boring. Next, prep your veggies. Thinly slice crisp cucumber, julienne sweet carrots, shred some vibrant red cabbage, and scoop out creamy avocado. Add a handful of bright green edamame for extra protein and a pop of color. These fresh ingredients bring crunch, creaminess, and a rainbow of nutrients to your bowl. For protein, you have options. Smoked salmon adds a savory, rich flavor while cubes of firm tofu keep things plant-based and satisfying. The best part? Both are ready to eat, so there's no need to turn on the stove or spend extra time cooking. Now comes the fun part: assembly. Arrange your veggies and protein in neat colorful sections over the seasoned quinoa. Not only does this make your bowl look absolutely stunning, but it also lets you enjoy a little bit of everything in every bite. The more color, the better. Think of it as edible art. Sprinkle over some toasted sesame seeds for a nutty crunch, and add strips of nori for that unmistakable sushi flavor. These little touches take your bowl from good to gourmet, adding texture and a burst of umami. Don't forget the dressing. Whisk together a quick blend of soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, and freshly grated ginger. Drizzle it generously over your bowl for a punch of savory, zesty flavor that ties everything together. In just 10 minutes, you'll have a lunch that's not only healthy and satisfying, but also beautiful enough to brighten your day. Say goodbye to boring salads and hello to a bowl that's bursting with color, flavor, and feel-good energy, perfect for impressing your coworkers or simply treating yourself to something special. Time for chili garlic tofu skewers, flavor-packed and plant-based. Press extra firm tofu, cube it, and marinate in soy sauce, garlic, ginger, chili garlic sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of maple syrup. While it soaks, quick pickle cucumber and red onion and rice, vinegar, salt, and sugar. Thread tofu onto skewers and sear in a hot pan until caramelized. Serve with the pickled veggies, fresh herbs, and sesame seeds. Hot, cold, spicy, sour, crunchy. This is power lunch perfection. Next, avocado and smoked salmon. Open wraps, elegant, fast, and no cooking required. Use a low-carb tortilla or crisp lettuce as your base. Smash half an avocado with lemon juice, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Keep it chunky. Spread generously, then layer on high-quality smoked salmon. Finish with chopped chives or dill and a few capers for a briny pop. Fold or eat open-faced. 5 minutes to a gourmet meal. Let's make a mini eggplant and chickpea stack. Looks fancy, takes 10 minutes. Slice eggplant, sear in a hot pan with a little oil, salt, and pepper. Mash half a can of chickpeas, mix with parsley, red onion, lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. For the sauce, whisk tahini, lemon juice, garlic, water, and salt until creamy. Stack eggplant rounds with chickpea salad, drizzle with lemon tahini, and garnish with paprika and parsley. Sophisticated, satisfying, and fast. Need a reset? Green Goddess zoodle salad with crispy tempeh is pure freshness. Spiralize zucchini for zoodles, toss with cucumber, peas, and baby spinach. Blend herbs, Greek yogurt, lemon, garlic, anchovy, and olive oil for a vibrant dressing. Crisp tempeh strips in a hot pan. Season well. Toss zoodles with dressing. Top with hot tempeh and sunflower seeds. Cool, crunchy, and protein-packed. Pancakes for any day. Carrot and ginger protein pancakes, ready in 10. Blend egg, protein powder, oats, grated carrot, ginger milk, cinnamon, and baking powder. Cook mini pancakes in a non-stick pan, 2 minutes per side. stack and top with Greek yogurt and walnuts for savory, or maple syrup and berries for sweet, high protein, high fiber, and feels like a treat. Spicy Thai shrimp lettuce wraps. Fast, flavorful, and light. Mix sweet chili sauce, soy, lime juice, fish sauce, garlic and ginger for the dressing. Toss cooked shrimp with diced red pepper, carrots, scallions, and most of the dressing. Spoon into sturdy lettuce leaves, top with peanuts, cilantro, and mint. Drizzle extra sauce and you've got a 10-minute taste of Thailand. Craving comfort? Coconut lime chicken. Noodle bowls are creamy, fragrant, and guilt-free. Use shirataki or spiralized veggie noodles, just rinse. Simmer coconut milk, broth, lime juice, ginger and curry paste for a quick broth. Add pre-cooked shredded chicken and quick cooking veggies. Pour hot broth over noodles and chicken. Garnish with cilantro, chili, and lime. A 10-minute hug in a bowl. For breakfast or dessert, berry chia pudding jars are unbeatable. Mix chia seeds, milk, vanilla, and a touch of sweetener. Let's set overnight. Microwave frozen berries with lemon for a quick compote. Layer chia pudding, berry compote, and toasted almonds or seeds in a jar. Creamy, tangy, crunchy, grab-and-go nutrition. There you have it. 10 lightning-fast delicious meals. No more excuses about time or energy. You've got the tools to eat well, stay lean, and feel amazing. Make one every day this week. Prove to yourself you can do it. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Now get in the kitchen and cook something incredible. You're out of excuses. Go.